Hey everybody! Great job this week. I just finished grading your post on immunizations, whether to immunize or not. Most of you did a fantastic job. I can see some big improvements since your last post. I'm just going to leave you with a few things to think about and I'll get out of your hair. Number one, remember that you've got to respond to 2 classmates each week in order for your post to be eligible for full credit. Number two, make sure that you're watching your grammar. Spelling and incomplete sentences, run-on sentences, things like that matter. This is the academic writing component of this course, so take that seriously. And number three, make sure you have your facts straight. Some of you misread a few of the facts about immunization, and you want to make sure that you get your facts straight so that you can get full credit for your post. As always, personal examples are welcome. Just make sure that you also put the facts in there from your ebook and empirical resources from the databases if you choose to add that. Other than that, I have no feedback for you. All your grades have been updated for everything you've done up to this point. And remember my offer, if you post early Monday through Friday between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m., I will respond to you in real time and you have the opportunity to revise your post before it's due. All right, I'm going to let you go, and I'll see you for the next weekly check-in.